Candid. New trends in English grammar and composition. Book 5. Chapter 1. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, like I love my country, Anuj celebrates his birthday, and girls play with dolls. Remember, a sentence is a group of words arranged in a specific order. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. A sentence that states or declares something is called declarative sentence. As for example, the sun rises in the east. My mother cooks the food at home. Assertive or declarative sentences end with a full stop. A sentence that asks a question and makes an inquiry is called an interrogative sentence. As for example, what is your name? Interrogative sentences end with the sign of interrogation.